Corpse Reviver number 2. Using an atomizer, spray your coupe glass with absinthe. Then pour 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur, such as Grand Marnier. Moving on to 3/4 of an ounce of Lillet Blanc. Why not? Next, we have another 3/4 ounce of fresh, squeezed lemon juice. And finally, one last 3/4 ounce pour of London Dry Gin. Add copious ice to your shakers and medium shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Shake it. Strain into any coupe glass. With a lemon peel garnish. And that's the Corpse Reviver number 2.